In this video, we wanted to introduce 3 methods for doing sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a topic in NLP that examines the pros and cons of a sentence or a document. Sentiment analysis is used in many fields. For example, gaining customer satisfaction or tweets about a particular topic and checking the popularity of the topic. For example, you can get the popularity of candidates using this technique. Open your terminal. If you have already installed Merriam, run it. With the E option you can execute your commands. Here we use the tweet search module to search for a query on Twitter and check the popularity of the topic using the sentiment option. By comparing the negative part and the positive part, you can measure the popularity of the subject. Most of the tweets here were negative. You can also get the most negative sentence or the most positive sentence. The neutral part, as its name implies, is related to tweets that are neither positive nor negative. The compound is also related to tweets that are a combination of positive and negative. This is the most positive sentence. This sentence is the most negative sentence and also the bottom sentence is the most neutral sentence. The tweets are more positive compared to the negative tweets. Now let's look at other issues. Here this sentence is both the most positive sentence, and the most compound sentence. We wanted to know how sentiment analysis was done before we started writing. Open Python and import NLTK. Then use the download method to download the sentiment analysis package. Click on this package and then click on Download. Also download this dataset. Finally the lexicon Vader. Install the text blob module using pip. Then install OSINT. OSINT is one of the simplest methods of sentiment analysis. OSINT does its job based on a list of positive and negative words. Enter the interpreter and import the text blob. Give the text blob function a simple sentence or word. Then we can get the result using sentiment property and finally polarity. As you can see, the input sentence is positive. The closer the number is to 1, the more positive it is, and the closer the number is to -1, the more negative the sentence. Do this for different phrases. 0 means the phrase is neutral. As you can see, ordinary sentences are neutral. Now select a sentence from the movie reviews dataset. Then we join the words using join. In the following, we give the sentence to the text blob. As you can see, the sentence is neutral. Try other sentences. The reason the sentence is neutral is that we have to lematize the words of the sentence before doing sentiment analysis. Import OSINT. Then define an OSINT object type and set the emoticon's parameter to true. As you can see, the result is a very random number. OSINT does not have the ability to detect negations. Then install Vader Sentiment. And enter the Vader in this way. The Vader makes decisions based on a series of rules. This method is very suitable for tweets and sentences on social media. Define a variable of type Vader class. Then you can use a polarity score to get the result. As you can see, it can detect negations, so good is different from not good. Then give the sentence to the function. As you can see, it does not recognize the dies. but if the word is in base form, it can be recognized. Then install the transformers. This function can perform several NLP tasks. Transformers is the newest technique in NLP, and with this technique you can perform tasks such as text generation, text classification, sentiment analysis, translation and other tasks. This function has several pre-trained models that can be used. Create a new file and import transformers. Give the pipeline sentiment analysis as a parameter. Then give your sentence to model. Execute the code. It may take some time. It also starts downloading the model for the first time. Run the script again after downloading. As you can see, it identifies the sentence as a positive sentence. Now write a complex sentence that is a little difficult to recognize as negative and cannot be distinguished from words alone. As you can see, the model was able to recognize the sentence. Try the same for other sentences. The use of the transformers module has a character limit and also, as we have seen, does not have a high speed. You can search this phrase and open the Hugging Face website. You can choose your plan here. Transformers are very easy to use and there is no need to train the model. Many large companies use Hugging Face for their NLP tasks.